My name is John. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Cecilia. What about you?
So my name is John. I'm from Scotland. Where are you from?
Yeah, I am from India.
Very nice, very nice. And which part of India are you in?
I am in Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, very
Do
good.
you know?
I've heard of it. Yes, I definitely have. It sounds like a fantastic place to be. I've seen it on travel programs.
Okay.
So
Do you
how's the
know?
weather? How's the weather there today?
Yeah, it's nights. It's evening here. It's around 6:15.
Okay, okay.
What
So
about there?
the time here just now is 1:40 p.m.
Okay, afternoon.
Afternoon, yeah, absolutely. And where I am, Scotland, the summer here is very consistent. We have this is the second hottest day that we've had this year. Second hottest day this year, 19.
Okay, okay.
So it's a very
I
nice
don't.
place to be.
Okay, I don't know about that. Your
We're very far north, very, very far north.
okay.
So what do you do? What is your job?
I am housewife. I have baby, 2 years baby.
Ah, very nice. A boy or a girl?
Good. I
Oh,
have
very
girl.
nice. Very nice indeed. I have four children.
Oh, so nice.
I'm very lucky. Very lucky. Um, so is this your hometown? Have you always lived in the town you're in now?
Yes.
Oh, very interesting. Very interesting. I have lived in a few countries. I have lived in Germany, uh,
Okay.
Ireland, Scotland, a small time in England, and in Spain as well. So I've lived in a few different countries.
Okay. Which one is you like?
I always end up back in Scotland. So yeah, I think Scotland's very nice.
Okay. What
Um,
you are doing? Your job?
at the moment, I teach full time on Cambly. Before this, I was teaching in a high school in Spain. So I was teaching English as a second language in Spain. But unfortunately, with the current global problem with coronavirus, it's making it very difficult to travel. My plan was to be back in Spain this year. It's not happening.
Yeah. How about that coronavirus?
In Scotland, it's very different to England. In Scotland, it's pretty much under control. In
Okay.
England, not so much under control.
Oh, it's what you taking care about this coronavirus?
In Scotland, we had quite a severe lockdown. During the
Okay.
lockdown, you were allowed to travel no further than 10 kilometers from your house. That was the most you could travel.
Okay.
You were only allowed to do this for exercise or for business or something like this, so maximum 10 kilometers. And all the businesses were closed. Restaurants were closed, hotels were closed, everything was closed. The only shops that were open were for essential items like food. Um,
Okay.
so it was a pretty tough lockdown in Scotland. Now the only real restrictions now are if you're in a public place, like in a shop or on a public transport, you have to wear a face mask. That's the only restriction now.
Yeah, too. Okay. I have to learn English. So give me some suggestions how to I learn and I speak. I am poor in English to
Okay.
speak mostly.
Okay.
So give me some suggestions and tips.
Well, I'm listening to
How
your
to I
English and I'm thinking actually you're quite good because you're understanding everything I'm saying and I'm understanding everything you're saying. So that's a very good starting point. Your accent is very good. Okay.
okay, thank you.
and also the speed of your speech. When you speak nice and slowly and nice and clearly, and that's a huge advantage. Okay.
Okay.
Reading. I say this to everybody. The most important thing for increasing your vocabulary and improving your grammar is reading. Okay.
Okay.
To improve your speech, the most important thing is to talk. Talk as much as you can and listen as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay. I will send you a link. Have you seen, I will send you this website, a website called Engu.
Okay.
This is fantastic for very short news articles with very good questions, and it gives you a good opportunity for discussion.
Okay.
Okay. I will send you another link. This is a documentary series about, it's about Scotland, but it's in English. It has very, very good, clear English, and it's really good to help with your listening skills. Okay.
Okay.
Do you listen to much radio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not now.
Okay. I will send you this link. It's a fantastic link. I found this a while ago, and it gives you the opportunity for you to listen to radio stations in any country in the world.
Okay.
And I would recommend 2 channels on here, BBC Radio 2 and BBC Radio 4. I recommend these 2 radio channels for your listening.
Okay.
So,
okay, BBC Radio.
Radio 2 and Radio 4. And you can tune into them using Radio Garden. It gives you access to any radio station pretty much in the world. So you can listen to British radio, American radio, absolutely anything. It looks beautiful where you are. Tell me about your city. What is your location?
Yeah, in Andhra Pradesh, it's Nandigama. You can search.
How do I spell this?
Andhra Pradesh. ANDHRA Andhra. PRADESH Pradesh.
Yep.
Andhra Pradesh. It's a city, Nandigama. NANDIGAMA, Nandigama.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay. That looks absolutely beautiful. It looks fantastic where you are. Beautiful, beautiful place. So, what do you do? What do you do during the day? So you look after your child.
Yes, I am busy mostly with my
Yeah, you will be.
Yeah. I have fashion and I have learning English mostly.
Okay.
So I have to go outside and foreign states, UK and America, yes.
Okay.
So that's why I learn English through Cambly. So it's one of platform.
Okay. Does your daughter go to nursery or anything like this? How does she mix with other children?
No, she's with me always.
Okay. And what age do kids start school there?
No. Now present. It is the Corona time.
So there will be no school, but soon it will open again soon. Eventually things will come back to normal. So what is the normal school age? In Scotland here, the school age, starting age is 5. So they start school when they're 5.
Yeah, here my baby girl is second year.
In 2 years?
2 years. Yeah, 2 years old.
In Scotland they do this, but it's purely for nursery. So they have free nursery places for 2-year-old and up. So between 2 and 5, it's nursery.
Okay. So happy to
It was
meet you
very
and
nice
talk
to meet
to
you.
you.
Definitely use these websites. Engu is fantastic.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
watch the YouTube videos, you will get lots of listening practice, and Radio Garden as well.
Okay.
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 Very nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Bye
Your
bye.
city looks beautiful.
Yeah, I too. Bye. Thank you.
You're
Bye
very
bye.
welcome. Thank you. Bye.